निकले प्रेम प्रवाह की जय हो। गुरुदेवों की अमर शक्ति से निकले प्रेम प्रवाह की जय हो।
सच्चिदानंद बोधैक सुधामुदिकलानिधि आदिव्याधिभयग्रस्त प्रपन्नजनरक्षकान् वन्दे बद्धाञ्जलि श्रीमत्प्रज्ञानाश्रमान् गुरून् निरापातालनाकस्य पूजितः श्रीशिवेशितुः चरणाम्बुरोऽन्यस्य मनोवाक्काय सम्भ्रमान् ईश्वरान् वेदवेदाङ्ग वेदान्तज्ञानिनां धुरि शास्त्रवृन्दसुखाधारान् भजे श्रीशङ्कराश्रमान् उपमाभावमहिमाजित सर्वारिमण्डलान् सारस्वतुल्यवदैराराधितपराम्बुजाम् ऊर्जस्वरान् महामोहग्राहग्रासैककर्मणि नमाम्यानन्दरूपान् श्रीपरिज्ञानाश्रमान् गुरून्।
श्रीमदानंदाश्रम स्वामी सद्गुरु वर्यांक श्रीमद परिज्ञानाश्रम स्वामी सद्गुरु वर्यांक
जय जयकार
श्रीमद सत्यव्रत शंकराश्रम स्वामी सद्गुरु वर्यांक
जय जयकार
भवानी शंकर देवाक
जय जयकार
दत्तात्रेय देवाक
जय जयकार
दुर्गा परमेश्वरी मातेक
जय जयकार
श्री वल्ली भुवनेश्वरी मातेक
जय जयकार
श्री राजराजेश्वरी मातेक
जय जयकार
नमः
पार्वती पते हर हर महादेव।
श्रीमद आनंदाश्रम स्वामी सद्गुरु वर्यांक
जय जयकार
श्रीमद पांडुरंगाश्रम स्वामी सद्गुरु वर्यांक
जय जयकार
श्रीमद परिज्ञानाश्रम स्वामी सद्गुरु वर्यांक
जय जयकार
श्रीमद सत्योजात शंकराश्रम स्वामी सद्गुरु वर्यांक
जय जयकार
श्रीमती भुवनेश्वरी मातेक
जय जयकार
श्री राजराजेश्वरी मातेक
जय जयकार।
ओम नमः
कधी भजन मंडळ आहे
शिव शंभो शंभो शिव शंभो महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा शिव शंभो महादेवा हर 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 शंभो अनाथनाथ शंभो हर हर शंभो अनाथनाथ शंभो हर ओम नमः शिवाय
ओम ओम धात्रे नमः
त्रिलोकपालिनी जगदीश्वरी
ओम श्रीनाथाय सरोजय मम मनोरथे पावनं
श्रीमद आनंदाश्रम स्वामी सद्गुरु वर्यांक श्रीमद परिज्ञानाश्रम स्वामी सद्गुरु वर्यांक श्रीमद सज्जनाय शंकराचार्य स्वामी सद्गुरु वर्यांक श्री भवानी शंकर देवाक दत्तात्रेय देवाक श्री देवी राजराजेश्वरी मातेक श्री वल्ली भुवनेश्वरी मातेक स्वामी सद्गुरु वर्यांक
दीर्घतमामामध्येयोजुर्वां दशमे युगे अपामत्तं यतीनां ब्रह्मा भवति सारथे ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः।
This is a rag for people who keep their rags.
Okay. Okay. Very nice.
Playing glass on the ground. Security guards. नहीं कंप्लीट counter for people will see, look around and then they can wait here and everything can be displayed. Your pieces will be different.
Swipe machine swipe machine. दीपो ज्योतिर्ब्रह्म दीपो ज्योतिर्जनार्दना दीपो पुनर्संहितवाक्यं
संविद्दीपनमोऽस्तुते
चेतना स्वस्ते वायुमुपब्रवामहे स्वस्पतिं सर्वागणं स्वस्ते स्वस्या आदित्यासो भवन्तु नः विश्वे देवानो आद्या स्वस्ते वैश्वानरो वसुरग्निः स्वस्ते देवाः वरुणभवः स्वस्ते स्वस्तिनो आत्मभासः दीपदेवतायै नमः सर्वोपचार पूजार्थे गन्धाक्षतपत्र पुष्पाणि समर्पयामि। ओम इदं फलं मया देव स्थापितं पुरतस्तव तेन मे समाप्ते जन्मनि जन्मनि अपामर्तं यतीनां ब्रह्मा भवति सारथिः। ओम इदं फलं यो वैदादौ स्वरप्रोक्तो वेदान्ते च प्रतिष्ठितः तस्य प्रकृतिलीनस्य यः परः स महेश्वरः।
ओम नमः पार्वती पदे हर हर महादेव। ताई लेफ्ट का बाजू आणि बाजूला बघ
हे हलायला शिकवा.
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय 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 ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमो नारायणाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमो नारायणाय ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय भगवते
वासुदेवाय ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
भजो रे भजो सदा दुर्गा भवानी
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 भवभय भञ्जनि देवी भवानी
भयभञ्जनि देवी भवानी
भवभय भञ्जनि देवी भवानी
सोमकलाधर पाहि शिव पाहि.
सोमकलाधर पाहि शिव पाहि.
सोमकलाधर पाहि शिव पाहि.
सोमकलाधर पाहि शिव पाहि.
संवित प्रभाकर पाहि शिव पाहि.
संवित प्रभाकर पाहि शिव पाहि.
पाहि शिव पाहि शिव पाहि शिव पाहि.
पाहि शिव पाहि शिव पाहि शिव पाहि.
पशुपति 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 पाहि.
पशुपति 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 पाहि.
You live in Melbourne. Okay, okay.
Namaskar, Suswagatam, good evening. On behalf of all of you present here on this auspicious evening of the Datta Jayanti Utsava, I offer humble pranams at the holy feet of the revered Matharipati of Sri Chitrapur Math, His Holiness Srimad Sadyojat Shankarashram Swamiji, and on behalf of all the trustees of Parijnan Foundation, I extend a very warm welcome to all our esteemed guests and devotees present here for the inaugural function celebrating the opening of the first metro outlet of Samvit Sudha. Ladies and gentlemen, an extremely significant and beautiful practice of our tradition is to seek the grace of the divine before the onset of any activity. So let us first beseech the Lord to shower choicest blessings on this very special evening with our customary सभा प्रारंभ प्रार्थना।
दक्षिणास्य समारंभा शंकराचार्य मध्यमा अस्मदाचार्य पर्यंता स्मर्या गुरु परंपरा। श्रुति स्मृति पुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शंकरं लोकशंकरं। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। परिज्ञानाश्रम श्री गुरुशंकर परिज्ञानाश्रम शंकर सद्गुरु केशव वामन कृष्ण पांडुरंग आनंद परिज्ञान गुरु सद्यो जात शंकर सद्गुरु। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। परिज्ञानाश्रम त्रयोदशी आनंदाश्रम शिष्याग्रम स्वानंदाम्बुधिमच्चितम् आनंदाश्रमिणं वन्दे परिज्ञानाश्रमं गुरुं। श्रीविद्योपासनोद्याने मायूरं विभ्रमं सदा यश्चक्रे तन्नमो नित्यं परिज्ञानाश्रमं गुरुं। बाल्ये दीपनमस्कारे यस्य वैराग्यदीशिका जज्वालतं सदा वन्दे परिज्ञानाश्रमं गुरुं। शिष्यान्तशोधने यद्वत् तद्वद्यन्त्रालिशोधने कौतुकं यस्य तं वन्दे परिज्ञानाश्रमं गुरुं। भवरोगहरो यो भूत् शिवयोगपरो निशं तं वन्दे सिद्धिसम्पन्नं परिज्ञानाश्रमं गुरुं। शुनि चैव समदृष्टा ज्ञानी त्यागमदृष्टये आसीद्यस्तन्नुमोहार्दं परिज्ञानाश्रमं गुरुं। सारस्वतजनप्रीतः सारस्वतसमर्चकः य आसीतं मुदा वन्दे परिज्ञानाश्रमं गुरुं। विद्यावृद्धस्तपो वृद्धो वयो वृद्धाश्रयो बभौ यः कारुण्येन तं वन्दे परिज्ञानाश्रमं गुरुं। योऽनुकर्तुं विभुं चक्रे विश्ववस्वालयङ्करं वस्वागारं नुमस्तं श्री परिज्ञानाश्रमं गुरुं। निर्मिमे निर्ममेन्द्रो यः सवान् वेदान्तवासितान् गीतासक्तन्नुमस्तं श्री परिज्ञानाश्रमं गुरुं। कैवल्यसन्निकर्षत्वे तथाहङ्ग्रहचिन्तने यस्यासीदृदयं वन्दे परिज्ञानाश्रमं गुरुं। भक्तचेतो रथाध्यक्षो रथयात्रां महेशितुः यश्चक्रे तन्नुमोजस्रं परिज्ञानाश्रमं गुरुं। दुर्गं निर्माय दुर्गायै स्वसर्गं योरुरोधकम् अपवर्गपदं वन्दे परिज्ञानाश्रमं गुरुं। अपवर्गप्रदं वन्दे परिज्ञानाश्रमं गुरुं। श्री श्री परिज्ञानाश्रमयतीश्वराणां तुर्याश्रमालङ्कृतिरूपकाणां स्तोत्रं पठेद्य प्रयतः प्रणम्रः प्राप्नोति पूर्णां करुणां गुरूणाम्।
those prayers to the Lord, our hallowed Guru Parampara, and to our visionary Paramaguru, His Holiness Srimad Parijnanashram Swamiji III, came straight from the heart. I now request Shri Praveen Kadle, President, Standing Committee, Shri Chitrapur Mutt, Trustee, Parijnan Foundation, and Convener of the Datta Jayanti Utsava, to address this gathering of so many like-minded people. Don't be fooled by his mere appearance. Ladies and gentlemen, this diminutive dynamo is more than capable of handling this, that, and much, much more. Please welcome Shri Praveen Kadle.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Shri Bhavani Shankaraya Namaha, Shri Matre Namaha. With pranams to our revered Swamiji, Shri Shaddujat Shankarashram, and welcomed all the dignitaries as well as all the members of our community and other guests who are here. It's a great pleasure to announce today the unveiling or the inauguration of our first metro retail shop of Samved Sudha, which is a project, or is a sankalp as we call, of our Swamiji, which we started under the auspices of Parijnan Foundation. It's a great coincidence that it's at exactly the same venue at about close to 8 years ago in February 2009, when we were closing the tercentenary celebration, which we called as Pratyushotsav, and that we closed here exactly at the same venue in February 2009, and it was around that time when we were getting prepared to have this Pratyushotsav festival. The idea to have this Parijnan Foundation was mooted by Swamiji, because we were doing a lot of charitable work, but Swamiji felt that we need to have one umbrella which will encompass all the charitable activities which we carry out in Shirali, which is our main place of our mutt, Shri Chitrapur Mutt, as well as in other locations. And it's again a great coincidence. The legal luminary Zia Modi, she was she came forward, in fact on her own she came forward and said yes, she will help us in getting this whole documentation, the structure and everything, and how many hours and days we spent. And of course, another good friend of mine, we know each other for almost now maybe more than 30 years, Dinesh Kanabar, who is supposed to be a tax expert recognized not only in India but also outside of India. He helped us together with Zia, and this is how we started Parijnan Foundation in 2009. And what have we done? I just wanted to say before that our community is very small. There are only 9,000 families, just 9,000 families. And Zia, please take in note, you all take pride in saying Parsis are only 70,000, where I must say we are only 30,000 with 9,000 families. So we are smaller than your community, but that's okay. But it was Swamiji's vision that apart from just being a religious institution, which is what we are at Shri Chitrapur Mutt, we need to really do something in terms of contribution to the society, and especially in the nearby villages where our mutt is. And this is how we started through Parijnan Foundation. Of course, we had started earlier, but we brought it under Parijnan Foundation, what is called as Parimochan, which is basically providing support to close to 1,000 families in and around Shirali. And you can say about 4,000 to 5,000 people in these families have been directly benefited by what we give as, we all talk about microfinance, where the interest rates of 23-24% is charged, and we provide the same kind of a microfinance facility to these families in the villages nearby in the surrounding Shirali area without charging any interest. And And that has helped, you can imagine, close to 1,000 families standing on their own feet. And we can even show a complete full documentary of maybe an hour or two as to how the families have been really benefited. Some of the students from these or children from these families have even graduated, post-graduated. Some of them have become engineers. In fact, there's one lady or one girl who passed engineering and is now today working in Infosys. Parents of the children are completely uneducated. They don't know what engineering means, what English means, and so on and so forth. And this is the effort which we took through Parimochan. Then of course our school, Srivalli School, I can go on talking about. Today, under the educational platform that we have 2,500 students who are taught without charging any fee or at very concessional fee, apart from providing the midday meals to them. Then of course we started we are now going to, or rather inaugurated today, Samvit Sudha, a woman empowerment project which is close to Swamiji's heart. Again, the same idea that women in the surrounding areas should earn something, and not only earn something but also will contribute in providing certain low cost but very good quality products. And that's something which we started initially to start with fabric division, and now handmade paper unit, all run by women, managed by women, even accounting and everything done by women. So everything by women. I must tell you that today the products of this Samvit Sudha have become so popular that the products are not only received by, initially we started with selling to our own community people, but then the corporates, the big corporates in India, and now we are exporting outside of India. We have now got our own import-export code, so we can be even considered as a registered exporter. Now, Dinesh, I will come and separately talk to you about taking some tax advice as to manage, but I'm just saying that this is the kind of a scope that we have enlarged, and it is with that great pride and with the Swami. This is all done through Swamiji's direction, guidance, and I can tell you the amount of details or getting into the details which he does, which I don't think even people like us in corporate life we do. And that's the kind of a eye for minutest details, and that has really helped this Parindan Foundation, Samvit Sudha, Parimochan, our educational activities. And as I was saying in the beginning, it's all because of this one Swamiji's guidance and the support which we have received from 9,000 families, which pay, unlike in many other charitable trusts, we just pay money for what is called our Vantiga, which is for managing our Chitrapur Mutt day-to-day expenses, and some donations which we get, mostly I would say 95% to 98% donations given by our community people, unlike many other charitable trusts which go on taking capitation fee and whatnot, and we don't know where the money goes. And now of course the demonetization has found the entire money into the government coffers. So what I was trying to say is this is the efforts of 9,000 families from a small community, and we can show you the efforts. I think Zia, you went and saw the shop today. This is just a beginning, and I'm quite sure under Swamiji's guidance we'll go on opening many more metro, non-metro retail shops. We want your help. I don't want to spend more time, but I just want to acknowledge the kind of a support contribution which we got from the Samvit Sudha team, the ladies who have worked here without taking any 1 rupee salary. Those who have worked, I must mention the names of the 3-4 ladies: Rupali Hebrekar Pachi, then Vasanti Shirur Pachi, Lakshmi Shirur Pachi, Vinati Udyavar Pachi, and so on and so forth. I think these Pachis have taken so much of efforts over the last 10 years, and that's how we have brought this first metro retail today here. Of course, I also want to acknowledge the help and support we got from the Talmakiwadi Society as well as the Popular Buying Club, from whom we acquired the tenancy rights. So thank you once again, and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Praveen ma'am. And I don't think it will restrict itself to metro outlets within the country. I think we will have a global chain too. Come on, let's hear it for that. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, at this inaugural function of the first metro outlet of Samvit Sudha, it's my privilege to first tell you that the Parijnan Foundation, which is supporting and sculpting the spectacular growth of a host of initiatives, including Samvit Sudha, is mentored by Pujya Swamiji, who set it up to carry forward and realize the dreams and noble intent of his Guru, Parama Pujya Parijnanashram Swamiji III, to elevate the socio-economic conditions of so many villagers who are below the poverty line, and also to create a meaningful platform for the dissemination of information and knowledge. In fact, Parijnan Foundation, as Praveen ma'am just told you, was officially born in this very sacred space in the year 2009, when the Pratyushotsava, the 12th ordination day of Pujya Swamiji, was commemorated here, heralding a new dawn to come for thousands of villagers whose lives would soon be transformed thanks to the helping hand of Parijnan Foundation. Before I tell you in brief about three of the priceless initiatives which encourage, support and salute the woman power of rural India, let's hear it once more for Parijnan Foundation. Ladies and gentlemen, Samvit Sudha, which has today the requisite license for export, as Praveen ma'am just told you, recently sent exquisite delegate kits for the global Konkani Convention. This dream outlet for ethnic handcrafted gift items was started with just a handful of women who were shy, who were tongue-tied, and who had a minimal of tailoring and embroidery skills, and who were very eager to supplement the family income. Today, Samvit Sudha has 75 girls, over 80 world-class products, 8 training supervisors, and regular batches of freshers eager to join this wonderful enterprise. Over the last year alone, 12 new products were launched, along with the old favorites going strong, and they were snapped up at the 50 odd stalls set up in the 13 nationwide hubs, and through the devotion and industry of dedicated volunteers from the Chitrapur Saraswat family, who stock and sell these awesome items. How has Samvit Sudha changed the lifescape of so many brave heart village women and empowered them with a bank account, with self-respect and a new confidence? Listen to this first person account from a grateful beneficiary, Reshma Raikar.
मागील दोन्ही चेडा सन्नी सुद्धा तसाचे आणि हे 2 महिने गटले घरलेगे बसिले काम ना म्हणून सांगून आंट्यांकडे सोडणं घरलेगे बसिले ओस म्हणाले गेले ना कडे पुन्हा आणि होतं म्हणून गेले 4 महिने झाले तो त्यासोबत जाऊन
मगल नाव रेशमा हा पहिले आंटी अंगडीत टेलरिंग करता आशिल्ले नायटी इतले शिवायत आशिल्ले आता सवय सुद्धा टेलरिंग होता आसा थंय बॅग इतले शिवायत आसती बरें शिकता आसा कडारी सुमार आयटम इतले शिकता आसा आता स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म वरकू शिकले
गेले पण ते आराम थंय दिलेलं काम गेम इतले करता आसा बॅग सुमार नमुने बॅग वरा शिकले
थंय इतले बरे फ्रेंड्स मेळ्ळेत म्हाका
पुढे चली आम्ही रेशीमा बाहेर थंड आशिल्ले ಏನು ಮನೆ काम सांगले रे करनेशी बसताले मंग गदी बसताले हंगे घरला घेवचे वयचे करून बरी खुशीर आसा चली बारी बेजारार आशिल्ले तेन्ना इतले चली आतां बारी खुशीर आसा तोंदर कांय ना
3-4 महिने जालात वता आसा हांव बरें कमाई मेळत आसा पयल्याकिंत चड खुशी जाता आसा आतां कमाई जाता आशिल्ले पयस पुरो बँकात दवरला गार बरें आसा ती हांव कामां वता म्हणून
the second woman empowering initiative of Parignan Foundation, in which production, conversion and sales are all handled adeptly by our rural sisters and mothers, of course with managerial and marketing skills provided by volunteers, is the Shrimat Parijnanashram handmade paper project, more widely known by its acronym HMPP. An eco-friendly project, HMPP recycles cotton and hosiery waste to create that much needed resource, paper. Apart from handmade paper, HMPP creates designer stationery, gift bags and envelopes, folders and much else ideal for corporate gifting. Don't forget this. Friends, now you too can pick your choice from our new Samvit Sudha outlet. And now, here is Durgamma Nayak, whose smiles returned after joining HMPP. Here is her story in her own words.
ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅನ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದವ್ರನ್ನ, ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದ್ದು ಜನ ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಹೋದೆ, ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಅದಂತೆ. ಅವರು ಹೌದು ಅರ್ಜಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು 4 ದಿವಸ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೋ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅರ್ಜಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. ಇದ್ರ ಮೊದಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬರ್ತಿರೋ ಸಂಬಳಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅಂದರೆ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸವಲತ್ತೈತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಸಂಘದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ ತೆಗೆದು ಅದನ್ನು ತೀರಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದು. ಹೋಗಿ ಬರೋ ನಾವಂದ್ರೆ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವು ನಾವು ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ದೂರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆಟೋ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಟೋ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಮಗಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಹೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರೊಟ್ಟಿಗಿದ್ದು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
Ladies and gentlemen, Parimochan is the third far-reaching initiative of the Parignan Foundation. It has transformed the lives of thousands of villagers struggling below the poverty line in many hamlets around Sri Chitrapur Mutt in Uttara Kannada, North Karnataka. Ensuring sustainable development and management of local natural resources, Parimochana does community mobilization through the creation of sanghas or self-help groups of 10 to 15 members with one adult chosen from each family into the group. Now they are taught to save a fixed amount in a common kitty which is used for self-lending. The Parimochana project official does careful monitoring, offers guidance and seed money wherever required for implements if it is an agricultural profession that the person has chosen, or for non-agricultural ventures like carpentry, pottery, running a hair cutting salon, an eatery, many others. The Sangha members decide how much the loan return installment should be, and ladies and gentlemen, to date there has not been a single defaulter. 1,000 families, 60 plus sanghas spread over 11 villages in the 3 phases of the operation. So once more for this awesome and amazing success of Parimochana. Parvati Pataye Har Har Mahadev. Let's now hear the story of one of Parimochana's beneficiaries, a tribal woman, Nagamma Santaya Gonda.
ಹೆಸರು ನಾಗಮ್ಮ ಸಂಕೈಗೊಂಡ, ನಮ್ಮೂರು ಕಟಕರಕೊಪ್ಪ ಕಬ್ರೆ. ನಾವು ಮಟ್ಟದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಸಂಘ ಮಾಡಿದು. ಸಂಘದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಹಣವನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಈ ಮಲ್ಗೆ ಗಿಡ ಬೆಳೆಸೋ ಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ಅದರಿಂದ ಉಪಯೋಗ ದಿವಸ ಒಂದು 50 ಮೊಳ 60 ಮೊಳ ಹೂವು ಕೊಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಒಂದು 5-6 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಈ ಮಠದ ಸಂಘಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ಹಣ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನನಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರಿಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೂರಿಸಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಗಿಡ 150 ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಗಿಡವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸೇನೆ. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ 8-9 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಅದಷ್ಟು ಹೂವು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಸಮೇತವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಕೊಯ್ದು ಕಟ್ಟುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಾವು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮಾರೋದು ಒಂದು 15 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ರೇಟ್ ಇವೆ. 15 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ರೇಟ್ನಿಂದ ಮಠದ ಸಂಘ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೀಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಹೂವಿನ ಗಿಡ ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ಒಂದು ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ನಾವು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಸ್ತದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದವ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಿದೆ.
That was a family who weaves together and grows together. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to the publications wing of the Parijnan Foundation. In 2009, on this very platform, the first handsome coffee table book from Parijnan Foundation, introducing seekers to 2 forms of meditation, both with eyes closed and with eyes open. Dhyana Praveshika and Ashtamurti Upasana was released at the holy hands of Pujya Swamiji. On March 1st, 2014, 2 books for children were released in Kerala under the newly created Parijna series, which is an irresistible mix of a story, a poem, games, a fact file, heritage news, a subhashita in Sanskrit with its meaning in English to drive home the theme of the book, an important message about living right from Swamiji himself. This is the 7-in-1 package of every Parijna book, ideal for every parent and child in cities especially to spend some quality time and to learn side by side. We have already got 10 titles and soon during the ceremony the 11th title is going to be released at the holy hands of Pujya Swamiji, and 4 of these have been actually translated into Sanskrit by the devoted members of our Sanskrit wing, Girvana Pratishtha. This is a very new and never done before initiative, friends. So let's hear it for this very novel way of asking and making children learn the Deva Bhasha, the language of the gods. One other very special book which was released under the Parijnan Foundation is Utsava, an anthology of the festivals celebrated by the Hindus and also especially the festivals celebrated by Chitrapur Saraswats as well, to generate in impressionable minds the Swabhiman, self-respect, and through artistic ways collectively demonstrate and share our love for the enchanting manifestations of the divine, said Swamiji about this book. A big hand then for all these initiatives of Parijnan Foundation before we move forward, ladies and gentlemen. Friends, you will be thrilled to hear that this woman extraordinaire who handles the legal issues of Sri Chitrapur Mutt has been vowed as one of the 25 most powerful businesswomen in India, twice declared by the Economic Times as one of the 100 most powerful CEOs, won the Knowledge Professional of the Year award from the Financial Express and the Businesswoman of the Year award for Corporate Excellence from the Economic Times. A very big hand, friends, for this very epitome of woman power unleashed, the managing partner of India's top-notch legal firm AZB and Partners, Zia Modi. I request a volunteer to kindly escort Madam Zia Modi to the stage so that she can share a few thoughts with us. Presenting Zia Modi, the legal lioness with a heart of gold. Now don't ask me where I found out that, but that's very accurate information. Zia Modi.
Lioness, I like that. Good evening. Namaste Swamiji. It's a pleasure to be here as always. And I was telling my junior Monica as I walked in, just walking in through that passage just gives you such positive energy. You feel happy, you feel uplifted, and then you wonder why you don't do it more often. So I'm very glad that you invited me. I'm very honored. Thank you. Just a few words really. I think my association with the Mutt and to have the honor of meeting Swamiji started 2008, 2009 when Praveen and I got together with Dinesh and started thinking of what we could do. And really, you know, I come from a religion where we have a belief, couple of beliefs that are so close to what Swamiji and the community believe in. One is that if you do or you are allowed to do good to people, that is a blessing that God has given you, to be allowed to be given the opportunity to serve. So there is no ego in that, but just a gratitude of being put in that position where you are in a position to get His blessings. So we say that work, not work is worship, but work in the spirit of service is worship. So I think that is what the Mutt really amplifies. The next thing that we believe in, which is again obvious from the Samvit Sudha program, is that mankind is like a dove, a bird, and the two wings of the dove are men and women. And if either wing is not equal, then the dove cannot fly, means mankind cannot progress. And I think that that is exactly what Swamiji believes in, and all of you better believe in. And that is the one of the manifestations of that belief is, of course, the Samvit Sudha program. You know, we all know that when you educate a woman, you educate a family. And we believe, and we've been told that if you have money to educate a boy or a girl, it's a religious requirement to first educate the girl, because she is the mother of future generations. So the importance of the girl child and the woman is so acute, and in what you have manifested as well. I went to the shop and I was delighted. We picked up goodies that we could give to our friends in the office. And I think, Praveen, you need to have a volunteer create some sort of online service, because not many will be able to come here and buy it in a busy day. But if you put it online and you circulate it even among certain organizations, I can promise you AZB will be a popular supporter of this. So try and make it easier, I think. And what else to say? We started the idea that Swamiji gave us of trying to put up the foundation. It is also evident, the progress, and it will not stop. It is a movement that when you empower a woman, she will take the family to a different level. And if you have already affected 1,000 families and continue to do more, then God's blessings will just continue regardless. You've changed, I believe you have trained 300 women. You put up exhibitions from what I was reading. And really, you know, sustainable development is the only way to go. And therefore, actually getting into the detail that Swamiji Praveen says you have been getting into is actually the only way. I am accused of micromanagement every day, but that's okay. I think that the more you know, the more you can input in, the more knowledge and wisdom you will bring to the community. And so, what can I say? I'm so happy to be here. Thank you so much for calling me. As I say, I should do this more often. And God bless everybody, and congratulations to Samvit Sudha. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for some crisp but very, very insightful words. Yes, work becomes worship when it is done in a spirit of service. And I very much liked your metaphor of the dove for the two wings of representing man and woman, because dove is also a symbol of peace. So man and woman growing together in peaceful circumstances is what we all look forward to. Your invaluable contribution towards safeguarding the impeccable integrity and glory of Sri Chitrapur Mutt is much appreciated, Ziaji, and all the best to AZB, and we look forward to plentiful orders from AZB for Samvit Sudha as soon as we go on an online buying spree. Ladies and gentlemen, we are very happy to announce that the latest title in the Parigna series, Dola's Dilemma, will be now released here at the holy hands of Pujya Swamiji. I request Chetna Kadle, editor Parigna Books, to kindly bring the package on stage, and Shiv Gopal Bhatman will do the needful. Parvati Pataye Har Mahadev. Thank you, Pujya Swamiji, for your continued guidance in the making of Parigna Books and for releasing this Parigna title today. As per our salute-worthy custom, the first copy will be placed at the Sannidhi of Lord Bhavani Shankara. I request Shiv Gopal Bhatman to take it. The second one in the Sannidhi of Lord Dattatreya. The third at the holy feet of our Guru Swami, Paramapujya Parijnanashram Swamiji the third. And I request Pujya Swamiji to accept one copy for himself. Swamiji, please bless the other copies, which are for all the team members who have worked very hard to make this happen here and now today. And I will request Chetna to distribute them later since we are short on time. Ladies and gentlemen, before we arrive at the pinnacle moment of this evening, immortal words from Pujya Swamiji himself, it is my privilege to convey heartfelt gratitude and thanks from the trustees of the Parignan Foundation to the chairman and managing committee members of the Popular Cooperative Buying Club Limited, the chairman and managing committee members of Talmakiwadi Cooperative Housing Society Limited, Shri Bhavani Shankar Kailaje Mam and the staff of Sri Chitrapur Mutt, AZB and partners, SVC Bank and M-Swipe, Shri Anil Desai, Member of Parliament, Shri Mangal Prabhat Lodha, MLA, Shri Arun Dudhwarkar, Corporator, Shri Durgesh Pandit, Architect, Shri Nitin Bhagat, Contractor, Ms. Neha Hoskote, Shri Prashant Rane, Ms. Shilpa Natkarni, Ms. Maithili Padukone, Shri Dharmesh Shah, Shri Kamlesh Parekh, Shri Nerurkar and Shri Nitin Wagle for help in the registrations, licenses and register, all volunteers of the Parignan Foundation, the Stri Shakti of Shirali who created and delivered all items for the Samrit Sudha outlet in record time, Shri K.H. Zoshi and Shri Jalna of the Municipal Corporation of Greater Bombay, D Ward, the police, BEST and BNB Sound and all members of the media. A big hand for all these people and everyone else who helped to make this evening possible. Pujya Swamiji, on behalf of the trustees of the Parignan Foundation and from all of us grateful devotees, I would like to voice an earnest plea for mercy and forgiveness for everything, anything that may have inadvertently gone amiss, any lacuna or slipping of attention to detail, and then assuming that, as always, our beloved Swamiji has forgiven us for all our trespasses, on behalf of every eager heartbeat out there in this huge gathering and all the global devotees who are eagerly watching this live, I request Parama Pujya Swamiji to say some more immortal words, to turn some more moments of time into timeless moments. The 11th Mathadipati of Sri Chitrapur Math, our beloved Parama Pujya Sadyojat Shankarashram Swamiji.
कर्णस्वर्णविलोलकुण्डलधरामापीनवक्षोरुहां मुक्ताहारविभूषणां परिलसद्धन्निल्लसम्मल्लिकां लीलालोलितलोचनां शशिमुखीम् आबद्धकाञ्चीसृजम् दिव्यन्तीं भुवनेश्वरीम् अनुदिनं वन्दामहे मातरम्। आनन्दाश्रमशिष्याग्र्यं स्वानन्दाम्बुधिमज्जितम् आनन्दाश्रमिणं वन्दे परिज्ञानाश्रमं गुरुम्। ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री भवानी शंकराय नमः। श्रीमात्रे नमः। मस्त खुशी जातस ह्या कार्यक्रमांत उपस्थित जावन गुरु अनुग्रहीत हो कार्यक्रम प्रतिवर्ष कारलावचून स्वाम्यांगेल चरणी प्रार्थन करून अनुमती घेवन हो कार्यक्रम प्रारंभ जाता। श्री दत्त जयंती आज हो विलक्षण अवसर ती गुरु शक्ति गुरु दत्तात्रेय। It happens to be Datta Jayanti, a very auspicious occasion for all of us. Guru Dattatreya, a very personification of what we revere as Guru. It is said that all the Shaktis of Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar have consolidated into Dattatreya. And the best part about the Datta Upasana, which is a very powerful means of worship, Guru Dattatreya himself has demonstrated how a Shishya should learn from life. That is why Datta Jayanti becomes so very important for us. Situations, yes, you have to handle them, but there is so much that you can learn from the spiritual point of view as a spiritual sadhaka also. From every situation has been highlighted in the Leelas of Dattatreya. That is why it is a junction, a point where the grace of the Guru and the sheer devotion of the Shishya, the active participation of the Shishya meet. a very dynamic moment. On such a moment, on such a day, we have initiated something beautiful. Yes, woman empowerment. In our Upasana also, we believe without the Jagarana, without the awakening of the Shakti, without the Mother's grace, nothing is possible. My Aradhya is Lord Bhavani Shankara, Shiva, the absolute, the all-pervasive. But even to have a glimpse of His glory, to experience even a fraction of His generosity, His Ashutosha, I have to generate, I have to propitiate the Mother, Shakti. And that is what is happening at practically every level. At an individual level, through your Upasana, at a social level, where you recognize weakness and you gracefully, gently or mercilessly remove it as the need may be, within and without. So I'm very happy, I must say I'm very proud of what is being achieved. On one hand, you have the illiterate, and what were the words? The shy, the tongue-tied, diffident, below party line, uneducated. Matra Shakti, which is now being galvanized into bringing about purity, purification in that Samaj, something I would never have been able to do. And on the other hand, you have the Ziyapachi. I think none of these apply to you, shy, tongue-tied, diffident. So, that is the other end of the spectrum. And I'm very, very happy you could be here. Whatever interaction we have had, I could sense this deep commitment to any good work that is happening, and this recognition of the fact that the women have to be uplifted, otherwise nothing good can happen in this Rashtra, in the nation itself. A lot of credit can be given and needs to be acknowledged, the work that has been done. We have Lieutenant General Prakash Gokarn Ma'am, Asnavanga, Pachesa. Their daughter-in-law fashioned the logo of Parijnan Foundation. I think 8 years ago, 9 years ago, that was done, Parijnan Foundation. We have Shilpa Pache, Shilpa Nadkarni, who has been instrumental in bringing out so much of the artwork, including the motto of the mutt itself, the logo of the matha and the board that you see outside designing. Maithili, of course, I don't... what have you been doing? She's still doing all the recording, etc. in Shirali, the Anushravas, tremendous work. So काजो लागसांग का हो, आमकां मस्त खुशी जाता, सुगड आसा, स्मरण जाता आसा, थावळ केल्लेल्या पुस्तकाचें, शैलजा पाचीच्या आमी कनसांच्या, आनी आमगे लॉस्कोटे धोळा की पाचीने सुमार आमगे कार्य केल्ले खंय सेटिंग इट अप, तशी लोक येता सती करता सती आमकां मस्त खुशी जाता आसा. There is something good in an individual, and in an awakened Samaj, this conviction arises that as much as I get, I should be able to do something. So in our dharma, this is accepted. You aspire for the spiritual, you strengthen yourself when you understand, you develop sensitivity, and you help as much as you can. That is dharma. We never differentiate dharma as the ritualistic and the charitable in a different category. But the law of the land at the moment makes it easier for us to have different trusts, so to say, to take care of charitable activities and to take care of what is understood as religious, ritualistic. The unifying factor, the goal is the spiritual. I can use rituals and make a mess of my life. I can use rituals and really empower myself. I can get involved in social activity and with my ego make a mess of everything, or learn to sublimate my ego through social service. So what is it that guides me in both the religious and the charitable? The spiritual. That spiritual portion is what we revere, what we invoke at every stage. We have God as the ideal, God is the Adhishthan, God is the Ishvara who rules, and we have that same Shakti coming to us as the Guru Shakti, which guides. The entire foundation The entire inspiration, the vision, the guidance to us comes from Parijnanashrama Swamiji. An exemplary guru. Not that he attempted to set an example. A father does a lot of work. We have many cases. We have youngsters coming up and say, my father wanted to be a doctor, he couldn't manage, now he insists that I become a doctor. Why? I could not do it. I wanted to do a lot. Now even if I have not been able to do it, I'll ensure that my son does it. It may be a good attitude, but it may not always be very good, isn't it? We have a lot of complications arising out of that. So the father has an ideal and he wants to achieve it, or at least his son should, so to say, reach that. That is one aspect. And when I see my Guru, when I experience his grace, when I invoke him, I realize he never set an ideal, that sort of an ideal for me. He has given us so much freedom, and at the same time, any activity that we enter, anything that we want to do, we find his presence already there. We find his guidance coming out very, very powerful. He has never intimidated us with his Shakti, and at the same time, when we learn to invoke that in any good activity, we find something exceptional. The upasana that he has done is something which would have put me in awe, very good, but which may have intimidated me to such an extent, I would have felt I'll never be able to handle this. So to dispel fear, to inspire, give the assurance, and then when necessary prod on also, is happening effortlessly through his grace. That is Srimad Parijnanashrama Swamiji. He never demanded, he never insisted, but when we appeal to him, we find he has everything, all that we need. In any field of work, his strength, his inspiration, his guidance can be invoked. That is the vision that is guiding us in all these activities which now we are so happy with, and we know they are going to take off well. 10 years ago, I would not have been able to imagine this, and I had at no stage conceived of this. My upasana of my Guru, my Sharanagati, my invoking the Guru Shakti is to seek guidance, strength for this immediate present moment, and give me some indication as to what are my future immediate steps. More than that, it doesn't concern me. As long as I am connected and I am invoking his grace. Once that is done, we can learn to live in the present, and we find the future is being attended to. We are not here to do something fantastic for society and then go somewhere. We are here, we have taken a human birth to achieve something spiritually. We have to touch the feet of God. We have to understand who we are. That being the spiritual goal, any other accomplishment has absolutely no value in our eyes if it is not touched by this spiritual angle. And that the spiritual element is reinforced, constantly brought to our mind by the presence of the Guru. The religious, the social, this is all a karma kshetra. I use these social activities, each of us uses that to strengthen ourselves. In that activity, whatever seva we do, we realize how much weakness, how much corruption there is within. We dare to get rid of it as we do seva. That is the richness, the spiritual richness that comes into our lives. And good work is happening. Over 1,000 families are being benefited, but not at the expense of the sadhakas. Do you understand? They are also benefiting. So something very beautiful is happening. So we need to constantly invoke the Guru Shakti, because any other vision will be only a distortion. Attempt to look too much into the future may prevent you from living in the present. So that peace, that strength, that generosity of the spiritual which we crave for, it is ours in this moment itself. And then the work becomes meaningful, whatever we do, and it becomes inspiring as well. Dinesh Mam, Kanabar Mam, yes, last year, Mendel Tawadi, he was saying, I don't know, Praveen, I have known him for so many years. He's working for the mutt and I find something very different in him. Am I quoting you correctly? There's something very peaceful, so he wanted to know. Now, I didn't know what was perplexing him. Praveen Mam is working for the mutt and in spite of that he is peaceful, or is it because he is working for the mutt he is being... So I think that was explained later. So yes, this seva is going to give something tremendous that will touch the lives of people who get connected to you. That is the richness of the Guru. स्वामी सांगता एक सामर्थ्य समृद्धी तांकां सगळ्या समाजाचे एक बरेपण करचें अधिकार आसा आनी सामर्थ्य आसा. आमी तांगेल जावन केलें म्हूण जाल्यार बरे लोक येतात आनी आमगेल प्रशंसा केल्या सुद्दां आमकां गोतच कोणाल प्रशंसा जाता आसा तांगेल चरणीची आमी अर्पण करचें. ही प्रक्रिया चालू आसता तातूंत एक आनंद आसा. With all these activities going on, we have shivers, camps for the youngsters. Ziya Baji, how much time do you have? It's 8:05. 10 minutes more at least. We'll conclude with the bhajan. So we have youngsters. It's the 15 to 35 year age group. They come to Shirali. They're all from Bombay, Pune, Bangalore, all from the metropolitan cities. So we have a small batch, some 50 at a time, once or twice a year. It was called Kara Seva. Kara is hand. Kara Seva, what seva you do with your hands. You can come to the mutt, get a few pujas performed, have my darshan, go back. Okay, slightly touched. But when these youngsters come there, they stay there for a week, they do seva. They do seva in the sense they literally do service. They are taken to the Goshala, they get to know the source of milk, and they get to know a lot of other things about the Goshala. They are made to clean it also. Okay, they go to the fields, they got to go in that slush, do a lot of work. We have a lot of counseling meetings. I deal with them, teach them Ashtamurti Upasana. There's a lot of interaction, discussion, sometimes kathasis, and then they learn how much they could have missed out on, etc. So on one such occasion, we had the 15 to 35 age group youngsters, and a couple of younger children also came along with their brothers and sisters. And we had to keep them separately occupied, busy, because they really didn't fit in the discussion for the teenagers. So these 10-year-olds, they were kept busy, they were very happy. And I met them separately. 5 of them came up. They were sitting in my room, I was discussing something with them. Then they said, Swamiji, do you know, I went to Shivali school. We have a school running there, it's a free school, it's doing wonderful work. That is under the Shivali Trust. We have it under Shivali Trust, so we don't want any other activity under that trust, so that the school's education department is never touched or damaged by any incident, so to say. Because here this is generating money which is being flowed back again into the same social service. That is different. The puja, the matha, and the education, Shivali Trust. So these youngsters, they came, they were sitting there, they said, it was very good. I said, what did you do? Oh, they chant the 12th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita so very well. And they do so many things. And I was talking to them, I was watching these young Chitrapur Saraswats, 10 and 11 years of age. And after some time, one of them said, Swamiji, they study also and they work so much. They go home, one girl, his age, she has to clean up the house, she has to take care of a toddler, and she has to probably wash her own clothes and some seniors also. And I could see that look in his eyes when he was recollecting that. Because what was he doing? He was recollecting his own tantrums at home. I didn't get this, bam. And that same age group in that village, studying, same course, and they are working. Now you tell me, who's teaching whom? This child has realized something. He goes back without any effort on my part. He becomes stronger. And we got the reports from the parents. Something seems to have touched him. He's become a little more mature and he keeps his room a little more tidy. He got to see something. Now, in a controlled environment, this is what happened. That is what we call a Shivira. So, at all levels, this spiritual is touching our lives, inspiring us. We don't have any specific targets. When people like you come, guide us and inspire us, tell us how much more we can do, we move ahead. But the pushing force, the vision and the protection comes from Parijnana Ashram Swamiji. His vision can never be thwarted. It can never be blinded. And we are entitled to it and we get to partake of it. And it is revealed to us, the more and more we are committed to it and more we participate in his Leela. So it's a joyous endeavor that is happening. It is a pure spiritual sadhana touching all aspects of life. So all of you who have come here, I would like to let you know that we are indeed blessed to be connected to this, to belong to this tremendous Shakti of a great Yati who never cared to demonstrate, who never cared to display his Shakti because of one injunction. As a child, there was an incident when people had got very enamored of bhasma and kumkum etc. appearing on photos. My guru was just about 15 years at that time. He said, that was all that impresses you? Okay, take this. And he just did this. He brought forth bhasma, that is ash, what we apply, the purified, sanctified ash. Bhasma it is called. Bhasma is when everything is reduced to its essential form. It is the purest, it can never deteriorate, it can never get contaminated. That is bhasma, a sign of Shiva. And he just produced it. And he even brought out kumkum out of nothing. He just materialized it. He said, this is what you want? I take it. And he produced it on his guru's padukas, the footwear, which is the most revered thing for us. The Guru Swami got to know. And the Shishya was called Swami Parijnana Ashram Swamiji, the 15-year-old Shishya Swami was called by the Guru. And the Guru told him, don't do this. This will confuse people. They'll lose whatever intelligence they have. They'll become blind. They won't let the spiritual grow within. Since then, he stopped, he restrained himself, but silently. A miracle doesn't have to be seen. The miracle begins the transforming factor in our life. That is the miracle that is happening to all who have touched His grace, have been touched by His grace. Let this happen and revel in it. Anikal Sanch Tumka. मस्त खुशी जातं असं स्वाम्यांक गेले कौतुक जातं असं हांगाय जातं असं कालम का आमगेल प्रकाश माविन कुर्वे डॉक्टर माम सांगता आशिल्लो वाडी सुद्दां परिज्ञानमय जातं असं थंय परिज्ञान लॅबॉरेटरी आसा खंय आनी हांगा आज एक उद्घाटन जालें जीवनय आमगेल परिज्ञानमय जावं परिज्ञान परितः ज्ञान that knowledge at all levels, in all fields, that is what he represents to us. And it isn't just knowledge, it is the tremendous capacity to bring forth that knowledge in action, making it a very sublime, elevating spiritual experience. I think bhajan koriya mein 5 minutes more. Okay, we'll conclude with the bhajan. हे पंचवदनच करूया तर वाडीन ताजें एक्सपेरिमेंट चलता आसा Panchavadana, Panch Mukhwala. Panchavadana, a lion is called Panchavadana, the five-faced. Five-faced, why? Because a lion looks royally, he is a king of all he surveys. The other animals are apprehensive. The lion is Panchavadana, fearless. Panchavadana Panch five-faced is also a name for Shiva. Sadyojat Vamdeva Ghor Tatpurush Ishantan Sumukhasati Srishti Sthiti Laya Nigrah Anugrah Kartala. तशी दावालाने भवानी शंकराला आराधन करूया. आमकां मूर्त रूपेण स्वाम्यांगेल रूपेण शक्ती आमकां प्राप्त जाता आसा आनी तांगेले निज स्वरूप भवानी शंकर साक्षात तांगेला आमी स्मरण करूया. पंचवदना हिमगिरि सदना हे पंचवदना हिमगिरि सदना प्रपंच शमना पार्वती रमण प्रपंच शमन पार्वती रमण हे पंचवदना हिमगिरि सदना हे भूताधिप हे भव भावना हे भूताधिप हे भव भावना भव्य गुणालय भस्म विभूषण भव्य गुणालय भस्म विभूषण भुवनैक गुरो भाल विलोचन भुवनैक गुरो भाल विलोचन हे पंचवदना हिमगिरि सदना हे मृत्युंजय हे वृषवाहन हे मृत्युंजय हे वृषवाहन पाप विनाशन नाथ त्रिनयन पाप विनाशन नाथ त्रिनयन सोमपुरांतक नागाभरण सोमपुरांतक नागाभरण संवित प्रकाशक साधक शरण संवित प्रकाशक साधक शरण भवानी प्रियकर तांडव नर्तन भवानी प्रियकर तांडव नर्तन हे पंचवदन हेमगिरि सवन पंच शमन पार्वती रमण हे पंचवदन हेमगिरि सवन प्रकाशमानां प्रथमे प्रयाणि प्रतिप्रयाणेऽप्यमृतायमानाम् अन्तःपदौ याम् अनुसञ्चरन्तीम् आनन्दरूपाम् अबलां प्रपद्ये आनन्दरूपाम् अबलां प्रपद्ये ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं गुरुभ्यो नमः ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं गुरुभ्यो नमः ऐं गुरुभ्यो नमः गुह्यातिगुह्यगोत्रीत्वं गृहाणास्मत्कृतं जपं सिद्धिर्भवतु मे देवी त्वत्प्रसादान् मयि स्थिरा। गुरुचरणी हमें सगळा कार्यक्रम अर्पण करता ते मुखावेलो प्रधान कार्यक्रम जावन आशिल्लो दत्त जयंती महोत्सव तातूंत भाग घेवया इतलीच एक प्रतिज्ञा करूया स्वाम्यांगेल चरणी तुमगेले इतलो अनुग्रह मेळता आसा मार्गदर्शन मेळता आसा बुद्धीपूर्वक आमी तां स्वीकार करता ती बुद्धीपूर्वक तां घेवन आमगे जिवनांतू आमी ताजें एक परीक्षण करता वील एक्सपेरिमेंट विथ दी शक्ती विथ द ग्रेस दॅट वी हॅव रिसिविंग वील डू इट विथ intelligence. That is what is expected of the Shishya. Understand what is happening even as you receive the grace. Understand its potential. Understand as it is being used, experimented with it. Then it becomes Guru Kshetra, no longer a Kurukshetra. And je ek Swamyangelam ka मार्गदर्शन असं तांगेले की सहजता आम्ही पळयता ती जिवनांत तशी यावा अहंकाराचो प्रश्नूच ना शिवस्पंदनाची शक्ती जागरण आता प्रवीण माम शेर आसपाची ले उल्लेख कर काशील नवे हां नाव समज सांगता हां So I've just taken your name because there are so many like you who are constantly working and doing so much for our mutt, but I may not be constantly taking your name. But you're our contact point also. Wonderful work you're doing, ma. I wish you all the best. I give you all my love because it's very difficult. Praveen Mom is so busy at that time to know, to use your judgment, to tell him there is something more Swamiji wants to let you know, to manage all that. That is your sincere seva that is happening. I wish you all the best. Thank you for coming here, being with us, and we will take your suggestion. We are not in a position to supply, cater to orders online because that requires a very sophisticated office setup in case there is some return or some product is damaged or returned. But we will certainly have a group which will be visiting your office with the correct samples occasionally, okay? And then your people can, place orders in your department, and then yes, you will be doing wonderful seva. All that you have done for me, in my seva for my Guru, I am very grateful for. All that you are doing, both of you, for the Samaj, I am very proud of. And I pray that you also get this joy, this peace, this love that I feel palpably at every stage in this seva that you are doing. सगळ्यांका पडोवन खुशी जाता असा गोमटे कोण देवाला आराधन करूया. ओम नंदन्तु साधकाः सर्वे विनश्यन्तु विदूषकाः अवस्थाशां भवीमेस्तु प्रसन्नोस्तु गुरुः सदा सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओम नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर महादेव.